Ching.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video. I haven't recorded a video in weeks, and I've got not a new shoe, a very old shoe that I've never actually seen in person. I don't think I've ever actually seen it in person anywhere, and if I did, it was years ago on the shelf, and I don't think I even touched it. So we're going to talk about this shoe really quick, but we got to make this video this morning. I'm dressed a little differently than I normally am, probably, because and I might even look a little sleepy because it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I just woke up. I just got ready for work because this is my first day of back to work in the office 5 days a week since March 2020. So like 6 years. And for most, I think maybe 2 weeks in the last 6 years, I went to work for 5 days straight. And then for 2.5, 3 years of that maybe, I was going to work into the office 2 days a week. And now we're back full. So I got some new clothes, and I wanted to break out a fresh pair of shoes. And I got several pairs of several blue shirts. So I was like, I need some blue shoes. So we got some blue shoes here. And again, these have been sitting in the stack behind Atticus where he's sitting right now. I haven't looked at them. And before we go any further, I've already gotten too far into it without having a word from our sponsor. Who's our sponsor, Atticus?
Jesus.
This is not actually Jesus's words. This is going to go right along with the words that I've had. One of the best ones, or one of the ones I've used the most. This is Psalm 22, verse 1. And I got a new Bible here that I got for Christmas. It's got 4 translations: NIV, New Living Translation, New King James Version, and the Message Version, all right beside each other. I got a new pair of pants on too, and they got a little flaw in them that's bugging me. All right, Psalm 22, verse 1. This is King David. It says, "For the director of music to the tune of Doe of the Morning, a psalm of David. My God, why have you forsaken me? Why are you so far from saving me, so far from my cries of anguish?" And that's the New International Version. I'm just going to read the Message Version too. God, why did you dump me miles from nowhere, doubled up with pain? I called to God all day long. No answer, nothing. I keep it all night, tossing and turning. Jesus was on the cross and he said those things to God. God was actually forsaking Jesus at that time because Jesus was holding the weight of our sins. David was not being forsaken by God at this point. But this is actually a psalm of lament. And it's actually just as praiseful as any other psalm. Even though he's asking God where he went, even though God's probably right there, he just doesn't feel him. He is still crying out to God, like, I want to feel you differently than I feel you. He's crying out to God and telling him how much he wants him. And even if it is maybe a little bit inaccurate, because God was probably right there with him, it's still him wanting more of God. And even in those moments when we cry out to God, we're still praising God. That's still worshiping God. And I think I heard that from Wes Huff more recently, maybe even from his Sean Ryan video. I'm not really sure where it came from, but it was handy for me because I really like this verse in, where's the other one in, Atticus? I don't remember where it is. But I really like the words, my God, why have you forsaken me, and what they mean to me. And now they mean something different to me. All right, let's get into this. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. And again, this has been sitting there for, I don't know how long, for years. We're going to see when it was made when I open this up. You can see how much dust is on this because it's literally been sitting in this room, or even in the other room. I think I had this when I was in the other room for a long time. Air Retro High OG, black, royal blue, and white. So these are the Royals. These are the reimagined Royals. It's part of the reason why I haven't opened them, because I wasn't terribly excited about them, but I want to see them in hand. And actually there was a lot of issues with some of these in the boxes, and so I want to see if it has any of them, and we might be able to see it just by opening it up. All right, so this is the reimagined Jordan 1 High OG Royal, and the reimagineds are made of nubuck or suede, not the leather that they're supposed to be made of. I think these are coming out this year, again in 2026. These were made in, let's get this look real quick. 2023. They're made in February 2023, so they're made 3 years ago. So I haven't had them quite as long as I thought. But again, nobody there wasn't a lot of hype for these because of the material at it. Because if you want to get a close up of the material here, I don't really mind the material. It's fine. We get some extra laces, so I don't have to do the black. But I need a fresh pair of shoes to wear to work today. Got a lot of blue. It's not the same color blue, but I got several other pairs of blue or other blue shirts. The defect that I was talking about is some of these were moldy, and actually I see a little bit of some kind of mess on there. Came right off though, so probably not mold. But I'm gonna get these on today. Had them forever. Their resale value is very low because nobody really wanted them, but look pretty good to me, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they look good. So I'm gonna put these on, get them worn today. Who cares what other people say about the material? This material on any other shoe would normally be just fine, but you put it on this shoe that's not supposed to have this. It's supposed to be normal leather, and people hated it. But you know, for what it is, a Jordan 1 High, which used to be hyped, every single one of them was hyped with good material on it. This is still good material. I like it. I'm gonna wear it, and again, they don't have any resale value now anyway. I probably sell these for like $75 or something like that. So we'll get them on. We'll get them worn. Smash that like button if you like Psalm 22, and let me know down below what it means to you. Is this an okay reimagined, or do we still wanna trash this like we used to? Let me know in the comments below. Tell your grandma about the Jordan 1 High OG Royal reimagined. And I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 Black Cement.